At Royal LePage RCR, we're not just a team, we're family. I'm Bill Wildeboer, founder of Royal LePage RCR Realty. August the 13th, 1977, we opened our first office on Main Street, Orangeville. My vision was to be number one. I literally started by myself and then started to recruit. By the time May of 78 turned around, we were number one, and we've retained that till today. We are still number one in Orangeville.
I think that the sharing concept, the fairness concept, and I think the family concept pretty much sets us apart. At RCR Realty, people feel comfortable, they work together, they'd rather help you than try to take something away from you. Royal LePage RCR Realty has 14 different office locations in some cities, in some rural, in some farming communities. All our communities have local agents, which are local experts. They know the community. It's very beneficial to the people that are buying and selling real estate to have somebody that's local, have a local presence. One of the concepts at Royal LePage RCR Realty is that we have non-competing management. We think that our managers should focus on the support of the salespeople. Even though we're 14 offices, we do like to get together. One of the big things that we do every year is our holiday party, where we get all the salespeople invited from all the offices. Gives a chance for them to network and then have an enjoyable time. Everybody gets to mingle in a very comfortable setting, and not just part of your office group, you're part of the large group, which is Royal LePage RCR Realty.
I've been working for RCR since 1998. I've enjoyed every minute of it. Their leadership style is very family-oriented. They treat the staff, they treat the salespeople as if we were their family. When you come into work, you're welcomed. It's home. Royal LePage Canada offers training not only in our offices, but online as well. There's also an online network in the background, the RLP network, where Royal LePage agents can sign in and access all kinds of tools like RLP Sphere. Our brokerage provides a very high level of training from the time an agent starts to an agent who's been in the business for years. They're provided with training that's up to date with the current legislation and ensuring that they can provide their clients with a high integrity. Contracts can be complex, and we want our salespeople to ensure that they understand what they're doing when they help their clients buy or sell a property. Whether you're a brand new agent or a seasoned pro, I'm confident that Royal LePage RCR Realty is the place for you.